Welcome to this short video, which is part of a suite of short tutorials. This one details how to review and edit your patient data, as well as useful hints and tips. Once you have completed the registration form, you will receive your login details from the registration team at Dendrite. This email will contain the registry URL, username and password. If you are accessing the registry from inside your trust, click the NHS connection. If outside the trust, then choose Internet connection. To the right of the screen is what is known as the hamburger. Click this to reveal various menus which show useful information, such as how to register for an account in the registry. Also, you can submit surgeon feedback here and check out more information regarding the registry. Also, frequently asked questions. These video tutorials will be here linked. Type in your username and password. If you forget your password, just click I forgot my password, then enter your username and an email will be emailed to you. Click Login. The main menu page leads to all aspects of the registry for whatever you want to do. From here, you can view, add and edit patient data. You can access reference documents and download your data that you enter into the registry. This is a message area. This will show you the contact details in case you have technical or clinical queries. It can be used as a notice board to inform you of changes to the registry. This video concentrates on how to review and edit your patients quickly and search for them once you've collated many records. Click Edit Data. This shows the My Patients page. Every patient you enter goes onto this list, your most recent addition at the top of the list. You can use the up and down arrows to organise your data. You can do this by ID, sex, procedure, etc. Just click on the up and down arrows. The Clear Filters button resets the page to its default. There are 10 patients on a page. Once you get more than 10, you can move to the next page by using the previous and next buttons here, or just click on the ascending page numbers shown in the drop-down box to quickly skip to any page. You can also use the search facility at the top of the page to find the patient you're looking for. You can type in the date of birth, date of procedure or patient identifier, or even the sex. Here we've put into the patient ID. It's worth noting that the ID of the patient is a sequential number the registry gives to each patient. This way, if you enter any data that is not editable, such as the name and date of birth for example once saved, you can use this ID to communicate to Dendrite which patient you need to edit. That way we do not have to receive any patient details at all and you can easily get the mistake rectified. Click Clear Filters to reset to the default screen. There are a few ways to review your patient. You can choose your most favourite. The most basic way is just click on their record. You'll be taken to the first page. You can scroll through or just use the drop down box to quickly jump to the page you require, shown here. Most of the data in the registry is editable if you made a mistake. Generally, the only things that you cannot alter are name, date of birth, date of procedure and the actual procedure. We can do this for you, so email us at national-support@e-dendrite.com. Tell us the patient ID and what you need editing or deleting. We will raise a ticket in our call tracking system so that your request is noted and an automatic email is sent to you with the status. Once your request is done, we will close the ticket with your permission. You can see here how easily it is to edit data that has previously been entered. Once you have finished editing, you can click Save and Exit, which will take you back to the My Patients page. Once you have logged in, another way to quickly view your patient is to use the timeline. Choose your patient and then click Timeline. The timeline shows a list of everything that has been recorded regarding the patient. It's in date order with the most recent at the top. You can see the date of procedure and the operation details. The timeline shows desirable missing data denoted by the yellow triangle. The screen's interactive, so just click on the area you wish to go to. Once inside the record, you can edit the data, which here is under the wound closure and is the intraoperative complication. You can then go backwards and forth using the timeline button, and now you can see the edited timeline. Not only can you use the timeline to view and edit your patient record, you can also add new procedures here, so very easy to just log in, click the timeline and add a new procedure. Once you have finished, you can go back to the search page or just click the log out button. You can also add and view procedures from the My Patients page. You can click on the date to view the actual procedure already recorded or add a new one. Once you have added your procedure, you could view it under the select procedures and you can see the new procedure, or go straight to the timeline and you'll see the second procedure. Again, you could click back into there if you wanted to add any data, or if you're happy, go back to the search page. As usual, use the logout button at the top right hand side of the screen and not the cross browser. This locks you out of the registry for 15 minutes. See the note here on how to regain access should you do this by mistake. We hope you enjoy using the registry and thank you for entering your data. For any technical issues or queries, please email the address shown here on the screen.